This is how to create an Overleaf account. First, head on to overleaf.com and you can start by signing up with Google or signing up with ORCID. But we will use our email and we will create a password. And just click sign up for free. Just verify. Then go to your email and paste your 6-digit verification code here. And click confirm. Click continue. You can choose your plan. You can also start a 7-day trial on standard, but we will continue with free. Enter your first name and last name. Click continue and choose how familiar you are with LaTeX. Let's say I've heard of it. And this is optional. Click continue. Let's say nonprofit or company. Add a company name. You can add division. For instance, IT. And let's say QA. And let's go to Overleaf. And now you have an Overleaf account. You can start a new project. You can learn LaTeX tutorial and browse templates. So this is how to create an Overleaf account.